Good morning. This is It's so crowded. But it doesn't matter. I have idea to enjoy.
It's raining, but don't worry, I'm sun brighter. From Roadside Station, we are heading to a historical shrine. We came to Dazaifu. Yeah. Dazaifu Tenmangu is one of Japan's most important shrines in Fukuoka prefecture. Why? The shrine is dedicated to Sugawara no Michizane, a famous scholar poet and statesman of a Heian period. Michizane was unjustly exiled to Dazaifu, where he died in 903. After his death, a series of disasters struck Kyoto, which were believed to be his vengeful spirit. To appease him, he was deified as Tenjin, the god of learning and scholarship. His grave became the foundation of Dazaifu Tenmangu Shrine. Today, Michizane is revered as a patron god of education, learning, and culture. The shrine attracts millions of students every year who came to pray for success in exams and academic achievements. What is that? Looks like holy. Oh my god. Dazaifu Shrine doesn't have a bell. If they did, the line would get too long. With 7 million visitors a year, that's a problem. The shrine grounds are famous for their plum trees, as Michizane loved plums. Over 6,000 plum trees bloom beautifully every spring. In short, Dazaifu Tenmangu is a sacred shrine dedicated to the god of learning, deeply connected to students' hopes and Japan's cultural history. Dazaifu is also known for its plum blossoms and rice cake, tasted plum. So I wanna try. Let's go. Hey, this is umegae mochi, rice cake tasted by plum blossoms, and the rice cake is actually so hot. I wanna try. Let's go. Sorry, I totally misunderstood. According to legend, the origin of umegae mochi comes from the Heian period, when an old woman offered a rice cake on a plum branch to Sugawara no Michizane, who had been exiled to Dazaifu. I don't mean it tastes plum. It's just a rice cake. I didn't know that. Sorry, guys. So usually, if you think plum, it's so sour, but it's not. The rice cake is so sweet. Yeah, right, because it doesn't taste plum. I recommend you try. But it tastes good. After eating, I'm going to Nanzoin from Dazaifu Tenmangu. Let's go! I drove a little bit and came to Nanzoin Shrine. I don't know how it looks like from your view, but for me, it's so steep. It's hard. Let's take a walk inside the shrine. I found a big statue standing in front of me. This is Daifudo-myo. Sorry, it's not allowed to take pictures, so I put ears image. Look. So many Buddhist statues. So cool. So sacred. 全然痛くないよ. Each statues are so much good quality. Amazing. How did people make it? So proud of Japanese people. It's so beautiful contrast between rocks and green. My dirty friend is going challenge. Going there through these rocks. He wanna reach there. けそう？いけそうない。Let's go! Watch out your steps. It's so sleepy. And watch out your head. My shoes is clog, not spike. So it's super easy to sleep. What the? Wow. We gotta go to the mysterious room. But I don't think it's okay to take movie inside. So sorry, I can't. The temple is best known for housing the world's largest bronze reclining Buddha statue. The statue is about 41 meters, 135 feet long, 11 meters, 36 feet high, and weighs around 300 tons, even larger than the famous statues in Thailand or Myanmar. We moved to Fukuoka city. We came to Hakata area. In Fukuoka. We are so hungry. Hakata is famous for ramen, so we gotta go to the ramen restaurant. Let's go. There is. This is Ko-chan ramen. Hakata is a paradise for food lovers. You can enjoy all the local specialties such as Hakata ramen, motsunabe, and mizutake. 1万円。10,000 yen. Ticket. 8K. Let me try a soup first. Wow, that's amazing. Revolution happened. What happened in my mouth? And next, I wanna eat noodles. You can customize the noodles firmness and oil level. I went with the firm noodles. They're thin, yet surprisingly firm, giving each bite and feel very satisfying. And fried rice. Ho, I can't stop eating, smiling. Hakata is a lively cultural hub where centuries histories, delicious local food, and all kinds of entertainment coexist and create a unique atmosphere. Amazing. Every day is so amazing. At the moment is so wonderful. I love Japan. This is Japanese culture. So, and now I feel so refreshed. Let's go to hot spring in Fukuoka prefecture and say goodbye to Fukuoka. See ya. We are heading to hot spring, which is the most west area in Fukuoka. It's kinda hard, but it's also fun driving. Let's go! We came to Mamushi no Yu, Mamushi Super. We came here. There are lots of various hot springs. Let's go! Let's go! We came here from Nakasu all the way. It took 2 hours to come here. Let's go. Hey yo, it was so good. Absolutely, I came twice today. In hot spring and in the amazing street in Nakasu in Fukuoka prefecture. So totally Fukuoka prefecture makes people human happier. I super recommend you guys come to Fukuoka prefecture. And now we are so much hungry, so we gotta go to dinner. I found a restaurant which is so close to hot spring. Let's go! We came to drive in Yuhi, and I ordered omelette rice. Itadakimasu. Looks so cute, so yummy, looks so yummy, and looks so delicious, beautiful color. Wow, so amazing, so delicious, so volumey. I got full. And after eating, we went to roadside station and sleep. Good night. See you next time.